Jai Shriman Narayana, Andal Divya Tiruvadigalе Sharanam. In the holy month of Dhanurmasam, today, 13th day, the incarnations of Shriman Narayana are a total of 10, called Dasavataram. In this all of the 10 avatarams, each incarnation brings a message for this world, for all living beings and for humanity. Specifically, in the avatarams of Lord Rama and Lord Krishna, they are considered complete avatarams. Paripurna Avataramu or Purnavataram. Lord Krishna is a symbol of Sanatana Dharma. Lord Rama is the embodiment of Dharma. Every incarnation has its origin in Sriman Narayana. The concept is that from the seed of Sriman Narayana, a tree with branches, fruits and flowers representing the incarnations has emerged. Bakasura is in the form of a bird. Lord Sri Krishna killed a demon Bakasura. Not only did he destroy the Bakasura, but he also split its beak into two. We sing about the history of Lord Rama, who killed the demon Ravana. Krishnam dharmam sanatanam Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha. You should wake up, as all the devotees in our group have already reached the presence of Lord Sri Krishna Sannidhi and started the Aradhana as a part of Margashirsha Vratam. However, the Gopika asked from inside, "Is it sunrise yet? Are there any signs or signals to indicate that it is morning?" According to Vedic Shastras, there are specific signs that tells us like indication of Suryodayam. Venus, Shukra has risen. Jupiter, Brihaspati, he went down. And all the birds have gone to the sky. When the birds fly into the sky, it symbolizes a beautiful signification, inner meaning. Two wings, knowledge and renunciation. Jnanam Mariyu Vairagyam. The bird represents the Guru, Acharya, and the sky represents the God or Bhagavad Tattvam. Only one Guru has the power to take us to the presence of God and allow us to experience His blessings. Thou was only Guru and His great true vision. O Gopika, you have such beautiful eyes. Wake up, get ready to take a bath. Kullakkulira kudaindu neeradade. In the holy waters of Bhagavan's grace, like Dhanurmasa Aradhana or Margashirsha Snanam, which will purify and elevate you. Andal Divya Tiruvadigalе Sharanam.